Hey guys, Martin from Impress Computers, and we have another custom build. So this is the i5 processor 9th generation. We got 16 gigs of RAM, we got a liquid cooler from NZXT, and a GTX 1660 Ti. We also have another unit coming in which is very on a budget. We got the Ryzen 3 and it's got the RX 580. So with those specs, you can run a mid kind of like a term simulation. So we have we're running a simulation right now with the Joe from Logitech, and we're gonna go to ConocoPhillips. So we're gonna run an event for around 300 kids next week. So just keeping you updated with that. And I want to show you that with the with this machines, you can pretty much do, I mean, anything you throw in it. Not only video games, but simulation. So ConocoPhillips will have like a black room with a cockpit, and then they will get this system and more controls for you to teach you how to fly. So you can actually become a real pilot, and we also work with racing guys. So myself, I have a racing simulation at home. If you guys need to learn how to race, we can get you on a nice computer, set you up with a nice wheel and everything, chair if you need a chair. So if you have any questions on any of the builds or, you know, video games, computers, please leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.